Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 15-minute chart of the ES, and what did we see in this morning? We saw matching lows yesterday in the 34 area. We really saw the daily pivot, which is the purple line here, not even get challenged in the overnight. And I was looking for a challenge of the highs from yesterday afternoon up at 46, but 44 proved to be a bridge too far, and we dropped down and we made new lows down at 33.25. So the bears continue to achieve new lows while the bulls are making lower highs. Okay, and what we're seeing now is a move up to 40 that is starting to fail and a push back into 37.5. This confirms what my main apprehension was yesterday about the bull case, which is the middle band has been absolutely sealed as resistance. That's the green line way up there, and there's 25 handles that separates the bulls and a price that they need to close above in order to reverse this action. What this does for me as a trader and for the room is it puts us into sell rallies mode. So we'll be looking to sell rallies today. Do we get a classic turnaround Tuesday? Do we get a big face ripper? Probably. My concern is that's what everybody is looking for. You know, just because it's Tuesday, it doesn't mean it has to be a gigantic bounce. And any bounce that does come, while it's very likely I'll be long that bounce, I'll be long that bounce with a mind toward flipping it short, as you know, we need to sell rallies. We need to sell rallies. And as we get out on the daily chart, and let me tighten this up, you see a couple of things. You see the bands starting to expand to the downside. You see a double fib area and the lower band. So the risk is for the day is, do we reach down with price and touch that lower band? Do we touch the lower band? And if we do, then what we should see for the rest of the week are AM highs that die. That's what a lower band is. Just like an upper band ride are morning dips that get bought and run up to the middle band. Lower band rides are AM highs that die. So I'm going to be looking for very similar to what we saw yesterday. Maybe a little downdraft off the open, and then we're going to go ahead and make a run at 40 and 44, and we're going to have to see where the sellers step in, and if the sellers do step in, do they push it down and make new lows? They would be aiming for the 27 to 28.5 area in order to interact with that lower band. And if you get a weak bounce off the lower band, then your thinking really has to be lower band ride. So that is essentially what I'm looking for today. On the bullish side, if you break over 46, you can run it back up into the 50s. But at that point, if you do it straight up, you're going to get into a situation where, you know, things become exhausted and it becomes kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy. The best thing that the bulls could do for themselves today is to hold 33.25 as a low. Hold 33.25 as a low, and you can that's something that they can build on going into the rest of the week. So they're in a pretty weakened state. We'll have to see what they're able to come up with as the day progresses. Okay, have a fantastic trading day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come sign up for a trial of the chat room. I would love to meet you and help you out with your trading. I will be out after the close with an evening recap and tomorrow morning with another market webcast. Trade them well, everybody.